Hello everyone, welcome to my channel SAT Math Tutorials. So today we have an algebraic problem here. So the problem is this: if a squared plus b squared equals z and a, b equals y, which of the following is equivalent to 4z plus 8y? Okay, so the goal is to find the equivalent of 4z plus 8y, and these are your answer choices. At the bottom here you have 4 choices. So how do we do this? So first, the premise, they give us a squared plus b squared equals z, right? So basically we just replace this and put it in here to replace the z, and then a times b equals y, and then we put that in here to replace for the y, so we can rewrite this equation here. So how do we rewrite it? We're gonna write 4 times, so z, we're gonna replace z with a squared plus b squared, right? And then plus 8 times what's y? Y is a times b, right? So that's what we have here. So we just break the parentheses, so it's basically 4a squared plus b squared, 4b squared plus 8ab. Okay, so with this, by looking at this, we can rearrange it a little bit. So by moving this guy over here, so we rearrange that. We're gonna write 4a squared plus 8ab plus 4b squared. Okay, all right. So if you look at the 4 here, so instead of the 4, we can write 2 square, or 2a square, right? So 2a square plus 8ab plus 2b square, right? Because 2a square is the same thing as 4a square, and then 2b square of the whole thing is the same thing as 2b. So if I rewrite like this, it's easy for us to see how we can break it out, because we see both of these are square. So we'll do this, right? And then you have 2a's. You know that you have 2a's over here. You gotta have 2a's over here. And then because you have 2b squared, then 2b's gonna be over here, and then 2b's gonna be over here. And then the sign is positive. So if you do it like that, this guy multiply it out, that's your 2a. And then this guy multiply out, that's your 2a, 2b squared. And this is 2b squared, and then 2a's times 2a's, that's 4ab, and then this times that's also 2ab. So you can break it out like this. So now you have 2a plus 2b times 2a plus 2b. So that is equivalent as 2a plus 2b square, right? Because they're both the same. So you put the square. So this is your answer. Then you look it over to your left, and this is the answer that you're looking for here. So that's how you do it. But the first step is you're gonna know how to replace the a square plus b square for the z, and then the ab for the a. You gotta come up with this formula. I think to solve this is where you need to come up with. You need to know how to replace it to get what you want. This is your starting point here, and then you just break it out. So I think there's another way to do this. So once you have this formula here, if you don't know how to break it out like into 2 parentheses and come up square, you can look at your answer choice over here and use the process of elimination, right? So if you look at this, you see you have 4a squared and then 4b squared. Right off the bat, what can you eliminate? You definitely can eliminate the obvious one, which is this guy, right? So the a, so a plus 2b squared times a plus 2b squared, you only have 1a squared, you don't have 4, so like you can eliminate that, right? Because right here you have 4a squared, and then over here same thing, you have 4a plus 4b, and then you times 4a plus 4b, and right there you have 16a squared, right? But we only have 4a squared, so you can eliminate that. Same thing here, you also have 16a squared, you can eliminate that. So B is the right choice. So there's multiple ways of solving this problem. I show you the maybe the long way, but process of elimination also works in this scenario here, and it might be easier for some people, but for some people you can break it out like all the steps that I map out over here. That could also do it. Okay, that's it. That's how you tackle this kind of problem. So there's multiple steps. First step is to replace the z and y, and then there's the next step is to rearrange them, and then break them out into this right here, and then you come up with a square. So there's a few steps for you to do this kind of problem. But yeah, that's it. And again, thanks for watching. And if you are going to take the exam anytime soon, then I wish you the best of luck. And I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.